Hey, you. Yeah, you. Can you do me a favor? Hit that subscribe button. And also, if you could take and put that little bell thing that everybody talks about, do that for me too. I greatly appreciate it. Already went shopping this morning at Home Depot. Went to the dump, cleaned the trailer out. We got a whole nother load of trash to go in this thing today. And then hopefully we'll be done doing trash for at least a week. We got another new house we're starting next week. Should be super exciting next week. Really busy next week. going. Muddy mess down here. We've had rain for like the last 4 days in a row, and it's very nasty.
But later, billing the
Hillary Clinton
campaign for the work that we were acquitted earlier this year on it.
Trick I like to do. Keep my truck a little cleaner. Sometimes it works. Carpet's the best thing for that though. Got this baby in 4 low. Got this baby in 4 low. Let's see if it that trailer empty weighs like a little over 6,000 pounds. Board came off. So if you don't know, usually construction trash and residential household trash does not go to the same place. It all goes in the ground, but they separate it kind of, I guess different landfills do different things. Pulling up on the scales.